Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making a vegan chicken pot pie. It's just like traditional chicken pot pie. It's creamy, it's delicious, and you won't even know the difference. So, let's get started. So here are our ingredients. Puff pastry, almond milk, 2 red potatoes that I just boiled, 1 small yellow onion, mixed vegetables, some mixing flour, vegan butter, pepper, garlic powder, parsley, crushed garlic, some super firm tofu that I chopped up and sprinkled with pepper and garlic powder, and some vegan chicken broth. I'm using this one. You could also use a veggie broth. So I'm sauteing the onions with some oil. Now I'm adding a ½ teaspoon of crushed garlic. I'm adding the potatoes. I'm seasoning it with some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some parsley. I ended up taking half of the potatoes out because it was more than what I wanted. So now I'm going to add the vegetables. And I only added half the bag. And now I'm adding the vegan chicken broth. Once the vegetables are cooked, you add the almond milk. Add 2 tablespoons of the mixing flour. You can use regular flour or cornstarch. And 2 tablespoons of dairy-free butter. And just let it simmer until it becomes thick. And don't forget to add the tofu. So now I'm adding the filling to a pan. Now I'm taking out the puff pastry. And I'm going to put a layer on top of the pie. Now you want the middle to be elevated as much as possible, being that it's puff pastry, so it can puff up. So try not to let it sink in too much. If it does, it's fine, it'll still taste the same. So now I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees until it's golden brown, which should be about 15 to 20 minutes. Our pie is done. The crust is the best part. So crispy. Okay everyone, please make this. This is my second round. It's so good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me at NamNamsFitness on Twitter and Instagram. And I will see you next time.